How to hard reset an Asus laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a hard reset of your Asus Windows laptop to fix issues such as the screen's black, or it's frozen, nothing's responding to touch on the touchpad, or your keyboard's not responding, things like that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply find the power button on our Asus laptop. So on mine, it's right here. It looks just like that. What we want to do is hold down the power button for around 15 to 20 seconds until the screen turns completely black. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Just keep holding it down until the screen turns off. You may hear the fans turn off, the backlight on your keyboard turn off. Keep holding it down for around 5 seconds after the screen turns off, and then you can let go. And now just hold down the power button for around 2 to 3 seconds. So basically what we did there was we forced the laptop to turn off, and then we just turned it back on. Now, when it turns back on, it may take an extra 10 seconds or something to turn back on just because we did do the hard reset. So just give it that time and it should turn on. Now mine started to do an update, but once it turns back on, the display should start working, or your mouse, keyboard, things like that will start being responsive. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.